Officer, is it even legal to look that stunning on duty? If being charming was a crime, I'd already turned myself in to you. Focus, Bird. Oh, I am focused. That uniform is powerful, but you wear it better than anyone.
Flirting.
Is that a warning? Or are you enjoying the attention?
You talk too much.
Only when I meet someone worth talking to.
How about coffee after duty, officer? I promise to behave. A little.
Don't worry, officer. I'll be right here, waiting.